out here at the famous Railroad Square here in Tallahassee, Florida. And today I got a special review and test drive of this new 2026 Ford F-150 Lobo. Yes, we just got this one in, and I'm super excited to bring it to you, go over some of the special features of this vehicle. And it comes with the mighty 5.0 V8. I love the Coyote engine. And yeah, so without further ado, let's hop into this review. All right, crew, let's take a look at the exterior of this F-150 Lobo. Once again, we're out here at the famous Railroad Square in Tallahassee, Florida. This vehicle is brought to you by Tallahassee Ford at 243 North Magnolia Drive, taking them to the streets. This is brought to you by JRide, and super excited to bring this to you. So, first things first, let's take a look at this epic front end on the Lobo. We'll start over here with your headlights. You got LED headlights, high beams, low beams, fog lights. Awesome new bumper here. And then what really sticks out, I know y'all can see it, excuse the LEDs, they're flickering, but not in real life. It's just what the camera's picking up. Check out these awesome lights here in the grill on both sides. They look awesome. We're gonna come up here to the hood. Got these nice vents right here. They look pretty cool. They look even better from the driver's seat when you're looking out. You can see them. So that's a nice touch there. I love this white clear coat with the blacked out wheels, blacked out mirror caps, and of course, Tallahassee Ford, we do the tint there. Shout out to Mr. James, making the tint look awesome, as always. Let's take a look at the wheels here. Once again, blacked out, come with Bridgestone tires. All right, let's take a look at the badging. There's your F-150 Lobo badging right there. Once again, that's blacked out mirror caps. Gonna come around here to the side. And here is one of my favorite visual cues about the Lobo. So from Ford, they actually have a leveling kit, as you can see. Let me step back a little bit. As you can see, typical F-150 sit up a little bit higher in the back, not the Lobo. All right, then there's some nice mechanical things that come with this package. Underneath here, the rear end is a 373 electronic locking rear differential, so that's nice. And I can tell just from driving it over here, it does give a little bit more pep in its step. You also get the dual exhaust pipes here. Boom. Get the trailer hitch. Boom. You get a courtesy free trailer hitch cover from Tallahassee Ford right here. Boom. And like I said, there's your dual exhaust. You got rear sensors back here, front sensors up front as well. Open up the tailgate here. Some nice touches there in the bed. You got these little spots here on both sides where you can put some accessories here and there. Put that back up. Tailgate is super light. There's your reverse camera. Boom. Come around here to the side. Once again, I'll give you that profile with the lowering kit from the factory, which looks awesome, as y'all can probably see a little bit better from this side. What y'all think down in the comments, let us know. It's available once again at Tallahassee Ford, 243 North Magnolia Drive. Come and see it in person. Tell them you saw it on social media. Brought to you by JRide at Tallahassee Ford and the famous Railroad Square. Where am I? Do y'all know exactly where I am? Put down in the comments, what building is this right here with this cool collage on it? What y'all think? Let us know. While I'm thinking about it, something else I want to share with you all as well. If you see these little stickers on any of our vehicles at the lot, that means that the Xylon ceramic coating has been put on the vehicle. Woo, smooth. Just want to let y'all know. Shout out to Isaac Williams and the crew in our detail department. Thank you guys for making these vehicles look amazing. Not only for the customers, but for me as the, one of the photographers and social media guys. Makes it super easy to get out here and make this happen. And Another dealer installed option is the tinted windows that I spoke about earlier. Shout out to Mr. James. Thank you so much for what you do as well. Gratitude is my attitude. Shouting everybody out. And yeah, one thing I did want to show y'all is the Mighty 5.0. So here we go. Oh, that rhymed, didn't it? Doing it with one hand. There you go. There she is. She's purring. Got her running. Sounds good. As you can see on the airbox, V8. Very nice touch. It runs very good. We do have superchargers available at the dealership as a dealer installed option. If that's something else, if you want to get a little bit more pep out of this thing, 5.0's already pushing about 400 horsepower as it is. And with this rear end combination, the 373 electronic locking differential, it feels really, really good. It feels good. Yeah. So what y'all think? Is the Lobo package something that would be on your list? I think it should be. Hang on in there. We're gonna get to the fun part here soon. All right, let's go ahead and look at the interior real quick. It's gonna be real quick and easy, typical F-150. So here's your steering wheel. High quality materials here on the seats, as y'all can see right there. Cool touches there. Got the big screen, infotainment screen, gonna swing around. I love this background. You can just see the collages on the wall. I think that's what they call them, collages or mirages, I don't know. So there's your interior. I'm gonna walk around to all 4 doors so y'all can check it out, and we'll go from there. Y'all continue to hang in there. I think this one will definitely be something you definitely want to hang in there and watch, and go from there. Thank y'all for watching. Peace. All right, let's take a look at the back seat real quick. All right, got your mats in here. You do have the rubberized mats as well. Nice touches all the way around. Check this out. Plenty of room. These Super Cruise have so much leg room. I give Ford props. They really make their interior spacious, not special and spacious. 2 SP words. Special and spacious. There's your rear air conditioning controls. You got some charging ports right there. Once again, you got these mats if you want to use them. They're here. All right, let's go swing around to the other side. Once again, those cool things on the wall. Look at that. All right, here's the rear passenger compartment. On the passenger side, that is. Once again, nice touches all the way around. Y'all get to see what I'm seeing out here with these cool visuals out here at Railroad Square. So cool, so awesome to be here. Thank y'all, Railroad Square. Thank you, Tallahassee Ford. And most importantly, thank you, Lord, for everything that you do through me, to me, and with me. Amen. And here's a look at the front passenger compartment. As you can see, tint sticker still on there. Do not roll down. Oh man. Check out the high quality materials. Once again, these cloth seats feel really, really good. Nice touches all the way around. What y'all think? Once again, let us know down in the comments. You got a nice little storage tray here, glove box there, center console there, cup holders there. You can check out the channel for more F-150 reviews, for more in-depth look at the interior on these. But for right now, just wanted to give you a little something. Nice touches all the way around that big screen. Once again, plenty of room, plenty of headroom, leg room, everything you need. And here's another look at Railroad Square. Yes, sir. Blessed by the best. Why settle for less? All right, the moment we've all been waiting for, including myself. We're gonna take this 2026 Ford F-150 Lobo 5.0 V8 for a little spin. I'm gonna leave Railroad Square and kind of let y'all see the visuals. First things first, gotta have the key. This one does not have a push button start, but I like the key. I'm used to having this key. My old car has a key, and y'all listen to this. See if y'all can hit a 5.0. Sounds good. Let's go. First things first, seatbelt for safety, headlights and fog lights for safety, and yeah, let's go for a ride. So typically with a lowered vehicle like this or a leveling kit, people typically think these things ride rough. They actually ride pretty good because it's factory installed. A little shaky, the camera mount. Y'all excuse the camera mount. I was going to use my GoPro, but it's dead. So we'll make a way out of no way, like God always does, right? So yeah, like I said, it's very quiet in here. You get the rumble of the dual exhaust and the 5.0, of course. And see you later, Railroad Square. Thank y'all, as always. I like coming out here doing photo shoot. Nobody really bothers you. And at the same time, you can give back to the community by, you know, what I typically do is I'll tag the places that I go to. And Google Maps, I'll add the photos that I took and all that good stuff like that, so that everybody wins. It's all about giving back to the community, one photo, one video at a time. So here, we're gonna go over this railroad track right here, and not too bad, super smooth. And like I said, it's factory installed leveling kit, so you ain't gotta worry about all that extra stuff. And yeah, let me get up here to Gaines Street, and just gonna take you the scenic route. Y'all hold on one second. All right, crew, we are back in business, and yeah, things are cool. Get a little acceleration run. Here we go. That 5.0 sounds amazing. And another nice treat with Tallahassee Ford. Like I said, we do all kind of customization stuff, wheels, all kind of stuff. But also, if you get the itch, we got superchargers that we can put on this thing, get it programmed out, intake and everything. So just another option. Come see this vehicle at 243 North Magnolia Drive when you can, and we'll go from there. The beautiful Gaines Street. I love the scenery here in Tallahassee, Florida. And yeah, y'all hang tight. I want to give y'all one more acceleration run. All right, we are back rolling. Got a little spot where I can give it a little, you know, let y'all hear it. Here it is. Oh, this car pulled in front of me. Oh well. The 5.0 is wonderful sound, straight from the factory. We also can do so many other things as well. We can do, of course, window tinting there, lift kits, lowering kits. You don't need none of that with this. Wheels, exhaust, and supercharger. So we are the customization specialists in Tallahassee, Florida. Come see us. I'll tell you, with the 373 rear end back there, it's a little bit more peppier than other models that I've driven. I would say that. Also, I'll say, like I said earlier, even with the lower suspension on here, or the low leveling kit, if you want to call it, doesn't ride bad, rides smooth. And that's kind of what you expect from a factory installed option. They're going to test it over and over and over to make sure it's right. And Ford, y'all did right on this one. Also, the 10-speed is very, very ready for upshifts, downshifts, and all that good stuff in between. So, yeah, caught another red light. Hold on. That's one thing about this time of day. You're going to catch them red lights. All right, we are back rolling. Got a little spot where I can give it a little, you know, let y'all hear it. Here it is. Oh, this car pulled in front of me. Oh well. Here we go. Wonderful sound, straight from the factory. We also can do so many other things as well. We can do, of course, the window tinting there, lift kits, lowering kits. You don't need none of that with this. Wheels, exhaust, and supercharger. So we are the customization specialists in Tallahassee, Florida. Come see us. I'll tell you, with the 373 rear end back there, it's a little bit more peppier than other models that I've driven. I would say that. Also, I'll say, like I said earlier, even with the lower suspension on here, or the low leveling kit, if you want to call it, doesn't ride bad, it rides smooth. And that's kind of what you expect from a factory installed option. They're going to test it over and over and over to make sure it's right. And Ford, y'all did right on this one. Also, the 10-speed is very ready for upshifts, downshifts, and all that good stuff in between. So, yeah, caught another red light. Hold on. That's one thing about this time of day. You're gonna catch them red lights. All right, we are back rolling. Got a little spot where I can give it a little, you know, let y'all hear it. Here it is. Oh, this car pulled in front of me. Oh well. Here we go. Wonderful sound straight from the factory. We also can do so many other things as well. We can do, of course, the window tinting there, lift kits, lowering kits. You don't need none of that with this. Wheels, exhaust, and superchargers. So we are the customization specialists in Tallahassee, Florida. Come see us. I'm telling you, with the 373 rear end back there, it's a little bit more peppier than other models that I've driven. I would say that. Also, I'll say, like I said earlier, even with the lower suspension on here, the low leveling kit, if you want to call it, doesn't ride bad, rides smooth. And that's kind of what you expect from a factory installed option. They're going to test it over and over and over to make sure it's right. And Ford, y'all did right on this one. Also, the 10-speed is very ready for upshifts, downshifts, and all that good stuff in between. So, yeah, caught another red light. Hold on. That's one thing about this time of day. You're going to catch them red lights. So, crew, what do you think about the Ford F-150 Lobo? Y'all like it? Let us know down in the comments. Please follow all our social medias, Facebook, Instagram, and all that good stuff. YouTube and TikTok. We're about to turn back here into the lot, and we'll go from there. Here's another look at the scenery. This is our showroom over here to the left. Service department. And yeah, I'm gonna take this thing around the back where all of our F-150s are at. But this is our service department right here on the left. And yeah, I'm just super glad to be able to bring this to you all. And yeah. Oh, hold on one second. Let me see if I can let y'all see this F-150 we got over here lowered here at the dealership. Put some 26s on it. Can y'all see it right there? That one has a supercharger on it already. It's lowered. We did the leather seats in it, and we got a spoiler back there. All kind of good stuff in there. Just look back through our branding, and you'll see that. And yeah, supercharged right here at the dealership, and it's a fun truck. And I still think they're gonna put a 4-leg exhaust on it eventually. Just waiting for everything to come in or whatever. Shout out to Joey, one of our mechanics here. He does all the customization, the lift kits, leveling kits, tires, wheels, exhausts, and he does the supercharger. So we got a multifaceted bunch of guys and ladies over here to make the teamwork makes the dream work. So, in conclusion, that was my look through my eyes, through my everything of this 2026 Ford F-150 Lobo specialty vehicle from the factory. This is an awesome vehicle, and we just hope that you come on by and check it out for yourself and go from there. Thanks for watching. Peace. F-150, F-150, F-150. The mirrors and this big reverse camera. And you can hear the sensors going off there briefly. And there they are again. The Lobo package is the total package. Come see it.